Hey, you can cancel the ride.
Yeah, so,
If
all
I
right.
cancel the ride, like they will charge me because you are not wearing the mask.
Yeah, so, since you don't want the ride anymore, you can get out of my car.
Huh? Sorry?
Since you don't want the ride anymore, you can get out of my car.
Yeah, you can. Can you cancel the ride?
I'm not gonna cancel, no, but you can get out of my car.
What?
Get out of my car.
What do you mean by get out of your car?
This is my car, get out. Bounce. Thank you.